Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSideZero.net, and today we are going to unbox a pretty tough phone that we look at here, and this is the Honor X9b. And for the past few days or even 1 week, Honor has been demonstrating through their Facebook site and also their YouTube to show how tough is this Honor X9b, and we have done something with it as well. You can take a look at it on our YouTube page as well, on our shorts, one of the shorts, what we have done with the phone. I also will clip one of the short clip over here on me smashing the phone as well as shooting on the phone. So let's just get right onto it, and let's look at the unboxing content, shall we? So let's just get on with the unboxing. So this is the actual box of the Honor X9b 5G, and the storage that we got is the 256 gig together with 12 gigs of RAM. And the color that we got actually over here is the titanium silver. So let's just take a look at the titanium silver over here. And this is the actual look of the phone. And Honor says that it adopted the classical dual ring design, as you can see over here. Let me just put right near to the camera. So this is the classical dual ring design, which gives you a feel of the premium feel when you are touching it over here. Like they take the inspiration from jewelry and also watches as well. So this is the iconic classical dual ring design. And the Honor X9b actually comes in 3 colors: the sunrise orange vegan leather, midnight black, and the titanium silver. So this is the actual look of the phone. So it does look similarly to the earlier this year, where they released the Honor X9a, but this has been refined even better when you actually take a look at it. Alright, so let's just talk about the weight of the device. This is actually weighted at 185 grams, and that's including the battery. And why is this phone so tough? Because Honor has implemented what we call the ultra bounce anti-drop display. So even the display is protected pretty hard. As you can see, I'm knocking this phone pretty hard over here right now, as hard as I can, and also knock it down the floor or on the table. You can actually hear the sound, and it is still functional. So enough of the phone for a while. Let's just proceed on what it has inside the box. So you get this. This is the translucent case, USB-C cable, and also the charger. And this is actually the Honor Supercharge, so you don't have to worry when it comes to things such as will it charge very slow or not. No, this phone together with this adapter, it's gonna charge pretty fast. And you can see over here, that is the maximum voltage that it can take to actually supply and charge over to the phone. So let me just put it right over here. And of course the SIM ejector. So these are the basic things that you get upon unboxing. Now let's just talk a bit of about the display. So this is actually a 6.7-inch AMOLED curved display. So they did not skim out or chip out on this one. So what you get is still a very good AMOLED display with PWM dimming as well. And this is as much that we can tell you on the certain specification, because we're going to have a full review very soon as well. And when it comes to storage and memory, just now we have mentioned it does have 8 GB of RAM as well as 256 GB of internal storage. When it comes to the rear camera, we are told that it has one 108 megapixel ultra clear main camera, as well as a ultra wide camera and also a macro lens. And when it comes to battery life, don't worry about it. It has a pretty good battery life, battery capacity inside, and it can support up to 35 watt on a supercharge. And since this is a 5G phone, of course it supports 5G, it supports Wi-Fi, 5 gigahertz, and also Bluetooth 5.1 and above. So you do not need to worry. This is also a dual SIM phone. So this is actually the SIM card door, which means that you can put 2 SIM cards inside and you should be get right onto it. So that's pretty much about it, all I can tell you about the Honor X9b. So stay tuned to our full review. I will either publish it on the YouTube or I put it in the description, whereby it will redirect it to 160.net website so that you can read on the full review. So please just stay tuned to us. Remember to subscribe to us, and I shall see you in the next one.